Welcome to Search Online Academy. As we see, today we have this Acer laptop. So I wanted to show you how to replace the screen. As we see on the screen, we have lines. So these lines indicates that this screen is damaged. So I wanted to show you how to replace this screen. So to replace the screen, first you need to shut down the computer. So you need to press the shutdown button, right? Then you remove the charger. So you need to have a star screwdriver so that you can be able to remove the screws in order to access the screen. So as you see, we have these screws on the bottom of the bezel. So you need to remove these screws so that you can be able to access the screen, right? So you need to remove this bezel. Right. Then also have the screws on this on the top of the screen. So you need to remove these screws as well. Right. So also if screws on the sides, so you need to remove these screws as well. Right. There's also these screws, so you need to remove it as well. Yes. So after removing all screws, you rest the screen. Right. So as you see, we have this cable. So you need to remove this cable so that you can put another screen, a working screen. As you see with me, I have this working screen that I want to replace with. Right. So you need to make sure that this is the normal screen for this machine. As you see, this is a standard screen which is the same as this one. As you see, you can test and place the broken one on the top so that you can surely check so that this is the correct one. So as you see, this is the correct one. So you need to put the cable. Right. So you need to test the screen before you close. So let me press the power on button so that maybe see if the screen is working properly. As we see, the screen is working properly, so we need to close a laptop. So you need to use this star screwdriver to close. So first you need to shut down. You need to shut down so that we'll be able to close. Right. So you need to line properly the screw. Let's put another screwdriver. Right, so you need to connect this cable for cameras. Don't forget to connect this cable for your cameras. You need to put these screws as well, so that our screen may be attached properly. Right, then you put the bezel. So we need to turn on the computer as well, so that we may see if our screen is working. So as you see, the screen is working properly. So if you want to replace your screen, you may just follow the steps on this video, or you may contact us if you want help on how to replace, or we can assist you on how to replace. So subscribe on Search Online Academy for more videos.